Maybe you should fall, dance for rivers too. Cause when you're in love, it might a different view.
Welcome back to Culinary Museum. Today we are creating the golden red snapper, a luxurious combination of red snapper, snapper mousse, sweet Alaskan crab, and silky saffron clam butter sauce. Alaskan crab. Conclusion: elegant, delicate, and full of seafood flavor. This is a fine dining at its best. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next creation. This Chef Mohamed Abdell, Culinary Museum.